Yan. Minsan akala natin awakening is something special. Parang magiging ibang tao ka. Mas enlightened, mas peaceful, parang saint. Gusto ng ego na gawing identity niya yan eh. Pero in reality, nothing special happens. You just stop pretending. Hindi ka nagiging better. You just become real. Mas simple, mas totoo. And that simplicity, that's freedom. I am no one, and so are you. Namaste.